You have the Z Fold 6, and to charge it, it looks like there's no cable in the box, but there is. So where the Z Fold 6 is here, on the other side there is this leaflet which you can pull out, and then if you open this one up, this has a charging cable you can use, and the cable is black. The Z Fold 6 does not come with the charging brick in the box. You can use any charging brick which is USB-C, but for optimal performance you want to get the Samsung exclusive super fast charging brick. The best place to get the brick is from Samsung, so if you search in Google 25 watt Samsung fast charge and then you scroll down, you should see the Samsung website for the 25 watt super fast charging. When you go into this one, it does cost £13, $15 or so. You buy this one, connect one end of the cable to the brick, the other end to the phone, and it will charge. But there's also another way if this is interesting to you. You can buy these wireless chargers. So essentially they have a cable, so it's not like it charges through the air, but instead of plugging in the phone, you can just place the wireless charger on the center of the back of the phone, and then you connect the other end of the wireless charger to the charging brick, and then once the brick is in the wall, that will charge as well. And some Samsung phones have a reverse power share. If you have your old phone in the battery settings, supported devices have this wireless power sharing option, and if you turn this one on, I'm going to just use the cover screen for this. You just put your Z Fold 6 in the center of the back, and you can see that will also charge the device.